Dear students, today we will take some practice question for our chapter Lines and Angle, chapter 6. First question is POQ is a line and OR is perpendicular to PQ. Here OR is perpendicular to PQ. And OS is another ray. This is OS. OS is another ray lying between OP and OR. And prove that angle ROS equal to half of angle QOS minus POS. This is ROS, this is POS, and this is QOS. Find the relation between these three angles. So the solution of this question is here, since OR is perpendicular to PQ, therefore these angles are 90. Angle POR plus angle QOR is 180 degree. And angle, these angles are 90 and 90. QOR is 90 degree, so POR is also 90 degree. So angle POR equal to 180 minus 90, that is 90 degree. And POR is equivalent to sum of these two angles. Angle POS plus angle ROS equal to 90 degree. And multiply 2 in both sides, then twice of angle POS plus twice of angle ROS, and 190 into 2 is 180 degree. This is equation first. Here we are finding the two equation in POS and ROS, and second equation is QOS and POS. Again, OS is strain on ray, OS stands on PQ. Therefore, angle POS plus angle QOS equal to 180 degree. Its reason is linear pair, and this is equation first. And from the first and second, we will find our answers. From first and second, from equation first and second, both are equivalent to 180 degree. So this LHS parts is equal. So twice of angle POS plus twice of ROS equal to angle POS plus QOS. This is the equation first and second. And transpose this term, twice of angle ROS in LHS, and transpose twice of POS. Angle POS plus angle QOS minus twice of POS, and twice of angle ROS equal to 1 times of POS minus 2 times of POS, whose difference is minus POS. This is QOS minus angle POS. So angle ROS equal to half of cross multiply angle QOS minus angle POS. This is the first question. Our next question is angle XYZ is 64 and ray YQ bisects angle ZY. Here two terms are given. First, angle XYZ is 64 and ray YQ bisect angle ZYP. This is ZYP. And find the angle XYQ. XYQ, sum of these two angles, 64 plus this. and reflex of QYP. QY and P is this angle. So this YQ is the bisector, so its angles are equal. So first of all, we will start from this. Ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. Therefore, angle ZYQ equal to angle QYP. Both are equal and both are equivalent to x. Next, we apply the linear pair. Ray YZ stands on PX. Therefore, angle PYZ plus ZYX equal to 180. Its result is linear pair, and PYZ is x plus x, and ZYX 64 equal to 180. 2x equal to 180 minus 64, and 2x equal to whose difference is 10 minus 4 6 116, and x equal to 58. The value of x is 58. So XYQ, find the angle XYQ, and XYQ is the x plus 64. Then x is 58 plus 64, 122. And another angle is reflex of QYP. QYP is the x, and reflex of QYP is the 360 minus x. Reflex of this angle is 360 minus this. 360 minus x. 360, and the value of x is 58. So whose difference is 302. Our question third is, prove that the bisector of a pair of vertically opposite angles are in the same straight line. Given a pair of vertically opposite angles and whose bisectors are lying in a same straight line. So AB and CD are two intersecting lines, intersect 8.0, and this is the pair of vertically opposite angles. The bisector of this angle and bisector of this angle, इसको ले लो P, ये ले लो Q. OP is the bisector of this angle, and OQ is the bisector of this angle. And prove that these bisectors are lying in the same line. So prove that POQ is a straight line. प्रूव करना हमें POQ is a straight line. So we should start from this, since OP is the bisector of angle AOC. This is the bisector, so its angles are equal. 1 2, angle 1 equal to 2. ये equation first. Similarly, you have 3 or 4 ले लो. Similarly, OQ is the bisector of angle BOD. Same thing, angle 3 equal to 4. The equation second, and these angles are this angle 5 and 6, and angle 5 equal to 6. Its reason vertically opposite angles. This is equation third, and sum of these three angles is Sum of all these six angle is 360 degree. Sum of all angle is 360. We cannot use the 180 because POQ is not a straight line. Straight line is not given. We will prove that. So since we know that sum of all angles around 80 point is 360 degree. So angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, 360. Again, we should put the values of 1 equal to 2, 3 equal to 4 and 5 equal to 6. बट यहाँ पर पुट करेंगे कि 1, 3 और 5 को रखो या फिर 2, 5, 4 और 6 की वैल्यू रखो, किसी भी एक की वैल्यू पुट करो. तो 1 की वैल्यू पुट कर लेते हैं 2, 1 के प्लेस पे 2, ये भी 2. 3 की प्लेस पे पुट कर दो 4, ये भी 4. और 5 के प्लेस पे पुट कर दो 6, ये भी 6. कहाँ से पुट किया आपने? फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट, सेकंड and third. From this equation, sum of all these angles. So twice of 2 plus 4 plus 6 is 360 degree. And cross multiplied it. Angle 2 plus 4 plus 6 equal to 360 by 2 is 180 degree. And 2 plus 4 plus 6 is the angle POQ. POQ is this angle. Angle POQ is 180 degree. And POQ is 180 degree. Therefore, POQ is a POQ. Hence, POQ is a straight line. This is proved. Our next question is, prove that the sum of all angles around at a point is 360 degree. On a particular point, sum of all angles, many angles, and we can take the 2 angles, 3 angles, 4 angles, 5 angles, as your choice. Sum of all angles around at a point. Suppose we will take these 4 lines, OP, OQ, OR and OS. There are 4 rays starting from a point O. So here we should construct a opposite ray of any one of the ray. किसी भी एक रे के अपोजिट उसको प्रोड्यूस कर दो. OP को प्रोड्यूस करना हो तो OP को कर दो. So produced OP at point T on the opposite sides. So here OP and OT are opposite ray. OP and OT are opposite rays. Therefore, TOP is a straight line. TOP is a straight line. And on a straight line, sum of this angle is 180 degree and sum of the below angle is also 180 degree. So it's angle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we should apply the property of linear pair. Ray, any one of the ray, OP or OR. OQ stands on TP. Therefore angle 1, 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 180 degree. Its reason is linear pair. An equation first. Similarly, angle 4 plus 5 is 180 degree. And same reason linear pair is the equation second. And adding first and second, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equal to 180 plus 180. This is angle 1. Angle 1 is the angle POQ. Angle 2 is the QR. And sum of 3 plus 4 is ROS. Sum of this 3 plus 4 is angle ROS. And angle 5 is SOP. And sum of this angle is 180 plus 180 is 360 degree. So this is the proof. Sum of all angles around 80 point is 360 degree.